By reinventing each step of the patient's experience, today's medical practices are making healthcare more accessible, safe, and efficient. With Hilo, providers are letting patients book their own appointments online, speed up the check-in process, and improve safety by minimizing contact.
Being able to schedule an appointment on the computer, the patient is saving time by not having to call the practice, not staying on hold.
We have patients actually call from the car when they get here to say, I'm here. And so having that touchless check-in would be an amazing thing. This is going to be the new norm, right? And we have to change with the times.
Providers are using eClinicalWorks Scribe throughout their day to complete progress notes and reduce the burdens of documentation. And thanks to interoperability solutions from eClinicalWorks, providers enjoy on-demand access to complete patient records at the point of care.
Knowing that information allows one to maybe not order as many tests and even to avoid pitfalls, because the patients might have taken a certain medication in the past, they couldn't remember it, and they might have had a side effect or so on, and so it's valuable for us to have that additional data.
eClinicalWorks practices are integrating data from patient wearables to provide care beyond the limits of the office visit. Hilo televisits are helping practices nationwide transition from in-office visits to remote visits to survive the coronavirus pandemic.
It saved our practice. Like without that, we would have lost so much revenue. I don't even know as a small practice if we've been able to keep the doors open.
And eClinicalWorks practices are using population health modules for their most vulnerable patients, improving outcomes and helping sustain their practices.
We think that it's very easy for the dashboards to help us measure and monitor where we are, as well as billing and submitting the claims and seeing who's eligible, who's not, and why. And we were able to sustain our business, and it kept us on our toes and it kept morale high.
Are you ready to start reinventing your practice? Contact sales@eClinicalWorks.com to learn more.